guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is YVONNE Okekeke, in case you guys don't know. And okay, first of all, I want to start with apology. I know that I've been apologizing for a while now, but please, it's just how it is for me. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and like I already did my brows because my brows are one of the longest routine of my makeup, like longest routine of making up. So I did a yellow pigment eyeshadow, and people liked it, and I just wanted to do a video on how I got that sunflower yellow, sunflower orange eyeshadow look. So, and apparently I'm going to be talking about something which is I don't even know, but let's just start doing the makeup. In case you guys want to know how I do my brow, like my brow routine, as you guys can see, I've already done the brow and I've concealed both the top and the under. And if you want to know how I do it and like reasons why hair is lighter than that, please, of course most of us know, but in case you don't know, you can just leave it below the comment section, and then I'm going to get back to you on how I got it. So I'm going to be using this Zickel cosmetic serum to moisturize my face. So guys, I'm talking, today's topic is about, what's it called again, a lot of toxic things that have been happening, like toxic relationship most especially. You know, just yesterday I was talking to a few of my friends about girls that are in a toxic relationship. Like toxic relationship, I mean toxic, like things are fucking up and you're still in that relationship. Like, what are you doing there? Most girls are in a relationship where they are being beaten by guys, like their boyfriend, being thrown out of the house, and being treated like they don't have a family member or something like that, whereas they have family members. And you're wondering, like, where is everybody? Why is everybody looking at me like that? Like, you get, why is everybody not talking and stuff like that? Okay, so I'm in school now, so I do hear gist on what happens and how things happen, and people actually don't react to those things. So like, I don't really know how you're going to stay in a relationship where you're being beaten by the guy. Then what's the relationship for? Are you there for what exactly are you there for? Or as I don't really get why. Okay, I'm going to be using this palette. I got it from an Instagram page, and I like it because it has a lot of colors. So I'm going to be using this color precisely to start off my eye. I think I need to bring the camera. Guys, I'm going to start off with this color. I've already told you guys. I'm going to start off with this color because it's orange, but it's not as pigmented as so. I just want to start off with it. So as I was saying, so I had a news about a girl. She was doing JUPEP program. Like, she's not even in school. JUPEP is like diploma programs, and she's not even in school yet, but she already has boyfriend issue. Like, her boyfriend hits her and stuff like that. So I'm like wondering, babe, you're not yet in school and you're already suffering beating from a guy. So one day I decided to confront her. Like, I saw her with my friend, like I and my friend were going out, so we met her on the way, and I was like, hold on, that I need to confront this because I didn't know the reason why she'd actually be in that relationship, and she's pretending like everything's alright for her. So I was like, okay, let me talk to her. I called her, I stopped her, and I was like, hi, what's up, how are you? She knows me because obviously her roommate, my roommate is a friend. So, but I didn't hear from my roommate, I heard it from somewhere else. So I was like, can I talk to you for a moment? She said yes. I said, I've not seen you for a while. Where have you been? She said, to that if you can say what's going on, that I heard something about her, and I just really hope it's not true. I heard she's staying with her boyfriend and her boyfriend hit her. Like this, another problem we girls have is that you're going to leave your house and go to a guy's house and he's beating you. Like, don't you have a house? Go to your house. It's sick. Like whenever I remember things like this, I want to cry. Like, why would you actually leave your place and go and stay? Like, your parents don't even know that you're not making use of the payment. Like, you're not making use of the payments they made for you as regards to where you stay, and you're just busy hovering around, being in a guy's house, and you expect that guy not to beat you. I think most of the problems come from us because we don't actually respect ourselves. You leave your place, you go to a boyfriend. Funny thing that she denied it. She really denied. She said no, that it never happened. That the thing here is that her friends are just jealous of her and her boyfriend. So your friends are decided to spread rumor about you and your boyfriend that you apparently is being abused sexually and physically. Like, he hits you and he forces you because she's just a young girl. So how on earth are you going to be in that relationship when this guy is treating you like, well, I don't know. It's fucked up, guys. Okay, so oh yeah, I'm going to be using this orange pigment from Neon Pigments. Orange Neon Pigment. So this is how it looks like. Let me open. I can't raise the, but I can show you the bottle cover. This is how the bottle cover looks. I'm going to be using it on my eye because obviously I told you the first eyeshadow wasn't pigmented, so I just wanted to make it at least as a primer, like a prime base or something. So I'm going to go in the tip of this. You can see how it looks already. It's fucked up, guys. Like, I don't think any girl deserves it. Not even guys. A guy that loves you won't be doing that to you. Trust me. A guy that's really in love with you won't be treating you like that. It's impossible for him to treat you that way. Like, depends on this. I'm not going above this. I'm just trying to maintain that line because I still have to go in with my yellow to make it look sunflowered. So please, if you guys know anybody that is suffering, I don't know if I should call it, like, is it stigmatization? Like, are you stigmatized? Is it the sex that keeps you, or the money? Most things again is just because of maybe the things you gave for me. Maybe he got you the latest phone, or he got you pays your house rent. Like, girl, you're able enough to feed yourself. You're able enough to take care of yourself. So I don't even think like a guy should keep you there because he's giving you money. A lot of guys will give you money and still won't beat you. Okay, so most girls put their whole bills on a particular guy. Like, left for me, I would spread the bill because once they know everything about you, it becomes hard for them to even love you. Like, they feel like they own you because they know everything about you and they feel they're the ones that are helping you out. So then I'm going to be going in with this color from the same palette, this yellow. I'm going to be transiting the, like, kind of blending out this orange eyeshadow to make it just to make it look like sunflowers. So just a very little of it I'm going to go in like this, just to blend it out, kind of. So guys, girls, please, is messed up. Don't ever be with a guy that is hating you. Don't ever be with a guy. It's really rampant now, especially in universities. Parents, I think you guys should be eye-open. Whoever your baby girl is dating, please be eye-open enough to know if that relationship is safe for her. Like, it's not, a lot of girls do pass through shit and they won't even tell you because they feel that guy is in love with them and they will never look. You always find love. Like, you would always definitely find love. Anyhow you're going to find it, please just leave it. That person is not for you. You don't want to be married to someone that's going to be hitting you every time. It's not nice, please. So shy away from people like that. It's not nice. Oh no, you just need to younger. So you can people do me. They'll tell you blend it out. No, you're supposed to blend it in. Let's go into your skin, guys. Like inside your skin. Blend it in.